Hey guys, it's Kevin. We're going to be making shrimp tacos today with a cilantro lime sauce. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to build the cilantro lime sauce. First ingredient, cilantro, obviously. You're going to break up the cilantro, put it in I'm using a NutriBullet. Any type of blender would be great, but this way it's easier to chop it all up and get everything in there. All right. The next ingredient you're going to need is, you guessed it, lime. So we're going to sprinkle some of this in there to get that lime juice. And then we'll break up some of this and put the inside of it in. Just keep juicing it. Alright, then the next we're going to put in some tomato chunks. Get those in there. And then some avocado to thicken it up. Just scoop this in there. And then a little bit of lemon juice. Alright, then we're going to add in some water. And then last but not least, some olive oil. Alright. A little bit more. Put some more water in. Alright. Now, we're going to take this. And then we're going to blend it up. Alright, now that we've got everything mixed up and in there, we're going to blend it up. Alright. Open it up. Let's make sure that it got everything. Oh yeah. Oh, and that looks so good. Alright, and now we're going to make the tacos. Alright guys, now we're going to put the shrimp on the grill. We're going to start off, we got our Blackstone already heated up. We're going to pour these bad boys on. Now we're going to just put some salt and some pepper on this bad boy. Now while those are going, we're also going to take our tortillas and start to get those heated up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to melt some cheese onto the tortillas instead of putting cheese on them afterwards. On. Just keep flipping them. We'll probably keep adding a little bit of salt to them after that. Get them all seasoned. Now there are also things, you can do these in a pan in the inside if you don't have a Blackstone. I also sometimes will put honey on them to kind of give them a little bit of sweetness. You can do that as well. Those are gone. Flip the tortillas. see they're nice and toasty already. Alright, and now, the next step is we're going to take shredded mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle some on there. Now after those are on there, we're going to take our spatula, like this. Now these won't take that long on here. Perfect, because it looks like a shrimp. We had already used pre-cooked shrimp, so they shouldn't really take that long. We're just getting them all heated up and seasoned. Like that. A little bit more salt. There you can see, look at that cheese. Alright, we're going to get these off the grill, and then we'll go inside and we'll put them together. So, we've got everything done, we're going to put them together, and then Caleb and I are going to try them.
I'm super pumped for this. Kevin just made the shrimp and got everything ready, and look at these shells, guys. Got the cheese fried on the outside. This is the best part about grilling, is trying the food. Alright, let's assemble these bad boys.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we got some cabbage. I think cabbage tends to go better than like lettuce or something with seafood. So you're going to sprinkle some of that in there. This looked like a little bit more of the red cabbage than it was the green. You can get this cabbage mix at Trader Joe. It's good. We use it for a lot of things at home. So you sprinkle those in. Alright, next step. After you get that in there, we're going to take some of the shrimp. We're going to sprinkle that stuff in. Take a few. What's nice about these taco shells, you can also use these for breakfast tacos. So you put some egg and some sausage, potato in there. Yeah, maybe we'll do that on another episode.
Yeah, the fried cheese is definitely a game changer. When you learn how to fry that cheese, if you guys don't have a griddle, you can do this even in like a non-stick pan or like a skillet, like a cast iron skillet. You guys can fry the cheese right onto the shell like that. Oh, it's a game changer. Alright,
Alright, so next? Now we got the shrimp on there. The next set, we're going to take, even though we're going to put some of that cilantro sauce, we're going to take just a little bit of cilantro. We're going to put just a little bit on top just to kind of give it that kick of cilantro taste. Not a lot.
So good. Guys, I cannot tell you how excited I am to just dig into this right here.
Now we're going to take our cilantro lime sauce. We're just going to sprinkle some of that onto the taco.
Yeah, we tried some of that cilantro lime sauce earlier, and it is chef's kiss. It is like perfect blend of that like avocado, cilantro, lime. Like you can taste it. Like just perfect blend of it. It's not overpowering in either of those three's area. And I really think, I think it was different, like that you put the lemon in there, but it almost gave it a little bit more zest that I like to it. So it's pretty good.
Yeah. All right. And then last but certainly not least, we're going to take a little bit of lime. We're just going to sprinkle just a little bit added lime flavor.
Oh, yeah.
All right. You ready to try them?
Yep. Oh, man. Here we go. Dink it. Sink it.
Mm.
Mm.
So good.
You get like a good crisp cheese, but not too crispy. You get the crunch of the cabbage.
Yeah.
The shrimp has a good flavor mixed with that cilantro lime. That is glorious. I'm going in for another bite. I'm sorry.
You're good. All right, guys.